Hello everyone, welcome to part 3 of Heredity. In the last video we have discussed about dominant trait and recessive trait. I told you that if you want to understand the topic clearly you have to understand about alleles. So about alleles we will discuss in the next coming video. So in this video we will discuss about what happens to chromosome number during reproduction. So there will be a change in the number at the time of reproduction in the chromosomes that we will see. But before understanding the topic, you have to understand few terms which are very useful and helpful to understand the topic. So the terms first which we are going to discuss are autosomes, sex chromosomes, diploid cells and haploid cells. So before we see autosomes, let me be very clear. When we talk about somatic cells, that means our body cells, each and every cell will have 46 chromosomes. That means out of this 46 chromosomes, 44 chromosomes are called as autosomes and 2 chromosomes which are left over, they are called as sex chromosomes. So what are autosomes? How will they help us? What are sex chromosomes? That we will see now. First, autosomes. Chromosomes other than sex chromosomes are called as autosomes. As I told you that in a single cell 46 chromosomes are available. So out of that 46 chromosomes, 44 chromosomes are called as autosomes. So what will they do actually? What they are going to do? So they help to decide the characteristics of our body. Example, like what is going to be our eye color, how our ear lobes are going to be, what is going to be our skin color. All these characteristics will be decided by the autosomes. They exist in pair, each of which has same form. That means if you take one pair of chromosome, in that 2 chromosomes will be available. If one part of the chromosome is maintaining eye color, the second part of the chromosome also will maintain eye color. That means what will they do? They exist in pair, they will be available in pair, and what is that? Each of which will have same form. That means you can see first chromosome is having the eye color, the second chromosome also will have the eye color. And what do? They control somatic traits. So our body traits will be controlled by these autosomes. In human, 22 pairs of autosomes exist. That means totally 44 chromosomes are available in a cell, human body cell. When it comes to sex chromosomes will determine sex of an individual. So when a newborn is going to come into this world, whether he is going to be a boy or a girl will be determined by the sex chromosomes. So you know that in a single cell only 2 sex chromosomes are available. As you know that 46 chromosomes are available. 44 they are called as autosomes. The remaining 2 which are left over, they are nothing but they are called as sex chromosome. They help in determination of the gender of the individual. Now in human, one pair of sex chromosomes exists. So in human being, one pair of sex chromosome will exist. That means one pair means 2 chromosomes will exist. So this was about sex chromosome. Now we will see about diploid cells. Cell with a 2 complete set of chromosomes. As you know that a single cell will have 46 chromosomes, and if you take in pairs, 23 complete pairs are available. So if these 23 complete pairs are available, then they are nothing but they are called as diploid cells. One set is given by the father and one set is given by the mother. So as you know that a single cell will have 46 chromosomes. In the 23 chromosomes are given by father and 23 chromosomes are given by mother. So in which cells do you have this? In diploid type of cells. So the examples of diploid cells are somatic cells. All the body cells, they comes under diploid cells. Haploid cells. Cells with a single complete set of chromosomes are called as haploid cells. That means they will have half the number of chromosomes. Those cells are called as haploid cells. The example of haploid cells are gametes or sex cells. So in male, the sex cell is sperm. In female, the sex cell is egg. So sperm, when we talk about sperm, the cell which is present in that, they will have single complete a complete set of chromosomes, that is 23 chromosomes, will be available in the what we'll say male sex cell, and a single complete set of chromosomes will be available in the female sex cell. So male sex cell will have 23 chromosomes and female sex cell will have 23 chromosomes. Out of this 23, in male 22 are autosomes and 1 is sex chromosome. In female 22 are autosomes and 1 is sex chromosome. So they combine together to form a zygote. About that you have studied in the reproduction topic. So these were the terms which you have to understand. One was autosome, sex chromosome, diploid cells and haploid cell. Now let us come to our main topic, that what happens to the chromosome number during reproduction. All the cells in our body consist of chromosomes in pairs. So in our body, if you take any type of cell in our body, all the cells which are present in our body, each and every cell will have totally 46 chromosomes. That means in pair there are 23 pairs of chromosomes are available in number. Based on chromosomes presence, there are two types of cells. Now based on the number of chromosomes present in a cell, there are two types of cells. They are divided into two. One is diploid cells and second one is haploid cells. Now if you talk about diploid cells, especially our body is made up of diploid cells, and when we talk about haploid cells, I told you that the gametes or the sex cells are nothing but they are called as haploid cells. So in diploid cells, remember 46 chromosomes will be present. In haploid cells, you have to remember that only 23 chromosomes are present. So when you take a male sperm, in male sperm you will have 22 autosomes and 1 sex chromosome. When you take female sex gamete, that is egg, there are 22 autosomes and 1 sex chromosome. They fuse together to form a zygote and it forms a complete cell. That means in that you will have 44 autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes. Now I think that you understood how a single cell is formed. That means beginning of each and every life, the life starts with a single cell. To form this single cell, I told you that in a single cell you will have 46 chromosomes. So 23 chromosomes we got from father and 23 chromosomes we got from mother. They fuse together, they pair together to form totally 46 chromosomes, a single cell. That will be the beginning of the life. So related to alleles, that we will discuss in the next coming video. Thank you.